An additional round of some localized flooding. Already at this hour, a few of us under flash flood warnings. I know we picked up a lot of rain yesterday. We had numerous reports of flooding from across the area. We do have heavy rain in the forecast for this afternoon, but the good news is not expecting it to be as widespread as what we saw yesterday. So if you do see a storm though, it could be strong and produce heavy rain. That's what's occurring on the northern part of the plateau right now. It's this downpour from Sunbright to Wartburg moving through Morgan and starting to head towards Cumberland County that's producing a lot of rain in a very short amount of time. Flash flood warnings in effect for portions of Fentress County, Scott County, and Morgan County as well. So if you do see a flooded roadway, especially in this area, make sure you turn around. Don't drown. We'll continue to monitor the risk for localized flooding as this line continues to push southward. We're seeing some steady to moderate rainfall from Anderson County into Knox County, Union County, and through Campbell County, but not as heavy as what we're seeing back across Morgan County at this hour. Also watching some storms drifting through southeast Kentucky. Heavier downpour right now from Bell County, moving through Pineville, headed in the direction of Lee County, Virginia, and notice other moderate rainfall pockets, Knox County, as well as Whitley County. So we will continue to watch this line as it continues to push south and east. So especially those, say, north and east of Knoxville, we'll be watching that line moving through Kentucky right now. The areas north and east of Knoxville picked up a lot of rain over the last couple of days, so it could be a little bit easier for flooding to occur. Keep that in mind for the afternoon. 78 currently Maryville, 68 in Oneida, and 84 in Gatlinburg. Temperatures will continue to warm up through the afternoon, but we do have that chance for a few strong to severe storms. Most of the area under a level 2 out of 5 severe risk with a 1 out of 5 areas to the southwest. Again, not everyone sees a storm today, but if you do, it could become strong to severe. There's still some energy for the storms to tap into. The main concern is going to be heavy rainfall, like we're seeing the flash flood warnings already issued. Secondary concern is gusty to damaging winds. For now, on that front, the storms are behaving. Let's hope we can keep it that way through the afternoon. Very low chance for some hail and a low chance for a quick spin up tornado. The hail threat and tornadoes look unlikely for the day. The main concern is going to be the heavy rain. So a flash flood watch, is in effect until 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. It's the flash flood warnings that are in effect for the northern part of the plateau. We also have a flood advisory for portions of southeast Kentucky. So as the system moves through, it could dump a lot of rain, short amount of time. So any flood prone areas, just be mindful of those, especially through the rest of the day. So the timeline here, this line continues to push southward. So notice scattered showers and storms through the afternoon. These could strengthen up and become severe, but the main concern is the heavy rainfall. It continues to push through the area, moving through the southern valley and closer to the Smokies, closer to 5 o'clock. And then we turn a little bit quieter, heading closer to sunset and into the overnight hours. So highs today, we're up to 90 in Knoxville, 87 in Oneida, 90 in Tellico Plains. Tomorrow, it's hot and it's humid. Highs well up into the 90s, 94 in Knoxville, but you factor in the humidity, it is going to feel closer to 105 tomorrow afternoon, something we really haven't had a chance to talk much about over the last couple of days, but it is going to be a hot and humid end of the week, dangerously high feels like temperatures, so something to keep in mind if you do have outdoor plans tomorrow. Low end chance for a strong to severe storm tomorrow, some of the area under a level 1 out of 5 risk. A couple storms may try to develop, and the main concern again would be the heavy rainfall, and that's going to be a concern heading into the weekend as well. But we're not expecting, again, widespread coverage like we saw yesterday. So a few spotty storms on Thursday and Friday with a low-end chance for an isolated strong to severe one. We do have storms in the forecast for Saturday, but early next week it's still hot, it's still humid, but it's a little bit drier.
All right, Matt.